Hey everybody, first thing I want to do today is thank everyone that came out to the Bass Track a couple weeks ago. We had so much fun, so many people out there, everybody just having a great time, and the corn dogs were tasty too. We're really excited to announce this new program that Horizon Hobbies come out with. It's called Early Access, and that's only for hobby stores that are Certified Partner Plus only. We're the top 10 in the country, so when they announce those products on Thursday, they ship them to us so that we have them on Friday so that our customers can have early access to look at them, touch them, feel them, get them on pre-order so you have them before anybody else does. This is the new Axial Wraith. They've done some great updates to it. It's really beautiful, but you can't buy it yet. You can only pre-order it. So get by here. We have a demo here. You can take a look at it, see all the new upgrades on it, and get it on pre-order. We also have the new Traxxas 79 Chevy Blazer TRX-4. Again, early access. Come by. They've done a multitude of upgrades to it. You can take the cover off, look it over, and check out how cool it is. You rock crawler guys, we got a really big surprise. Stay tuned for that. It's really, really cool. But you see here, I'm in front of a Mini Z track. Mini Zs have been around for a bit, but they've just come to surface again because the track's really cool. We set up a track here. We have demos. Come over, take a look. The Mini Zs are really fun to drive, super fast on the track. It's fun for the whole family. So get over here, take a look at these. Nice and affordable. And you see the track here. We're getting it ready. We're going to also do indoor racing for Mini Zs. So get ready for those too. Now we don't forget about you guys that fly too. So the new Nano S2 has come out. This is a new Nano helicopter, full collective, has safe technology in it. It's a great way to start learning how to fly helicopters. This thing can take a beating like you can't believe. Get by here, take a look at it. Awesome new little mini helicopter. So come in and take a look.